Today's video, I will be making Bloody Mary bread. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Make sure to leave a comment in the comment section because it does help the numbers. All social media links and recipes is in the description below. On to the recipe. For today's recipe, I will be making Bloody Mary bread. You will need 1 tablespoon garlic powder, tablespoon onion powder, tablespoon sugar, a tablespoon chopped parsley, a tablespoon chopped green onions, just the tops, a half a teaspoon salt. One of the most important dry ingredients other than the yeast would be bread flour, and that's 2 cups. I will give you the liquid ingredients. The liquid ingredients are as follows: half a cup Bloody Mary mix, a 1/4 cup of water, a tablespoon olive oil, a teaspoon lemon juice. Now the most important thing that you need to make the bread is this lovely dry ingredient called yeast. I forgot to mention that before. That's a teaspoon and a half of bread machine yeast. It won't rise without that. We need that added last. On to the video. The first thing I did was I actually heated up the water and I added the Bloody Mary mix, and this is the oil going in, and then the lemon juice, and then I'll be pouring it into the bread machine. Then I'll add the other ingredients. The settings I'm using today will be light crust and 1 pound loaf. Now all we got to do is add everything to the bread machine. Now we're going to start by adding the liquid ingredients. I'm going to get my spatula so I can clean my measuring cup. You add all the liquids in there. You get them all out. The next thing you do is you're going to add everything except the yeast and the flour. So this is all going in like that. I'm making sure I get everything in there. And then before I add everything else in here, I'm going to give that a stir to make sure that we get it all mixed up. Try and get it so you can see. Yeah, I want everything mixed up. That way it's more evenly distributed. The flour will be next. Let's see if I can get that in without spilling it all over the place. This time I did it more neatly. I'm going to make sure it's over the water and the Bloody Mary mix. And then you're going to make a well in the center and dump in your yeast like so. And then turn it on. Then all you got to do is press the start button. They make hamburger buns with this. All you got to do is use a dough cycle and shape the dough into circles. Basically 8 of them. Now what you're going to do is you're going to start cleaning. Wait till it gets on the opposite side and get it clean. Too sticky, and have it get mixed in. We don't want it too sticky. little bit more flour. There we go. Should be enough flour. Yeah, because you can tell that the bottom is clean now and it's not sticking. That's what we want. Maybe a smidgen more. Just a little bit more. You don't want to overdo it with the flour. You don't want too sticky of a dough. This is what it looks like when it's done. Now butter the top of it, then take it out of the pan. Keep adding flour a little bit at a time. You can use a teaspoon at a time to make sure that you got enough in there. If it's too sticky, you're going to have troubles. You can see it's not sticking to the bottom of the pan anymore. That's the consistency we want. This is what it looks like when it's done. I'll plate it up for you. This is what it looks like plated up. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and leave comments. Have a good day.